finished tuning up and rebuilding your nice old 1960s home light, and all of a sudden you can't cut anything. It just bogs and dies. And you know it's in good shape, so you're really confused. And I was too. And then I noticed, yep, it happened again. The good old bar split on the tip. Basically what happens is as the chain was turning, it falls down into that crack because the tip of the bar is too weak, and so it splits open. So it catches it, and it's basically like having a chain break. It's gonna stop the chain. With a newer chainsaw, you can go to the store and buy a bar for it, even though that's kind of pricey. But if you need to keep cutting wood, and you've got something older like this, where you'd have to do a lot of retrofitting to get a new bar to fit it, what should you do? We could use a clamp. Let's go shopping. So, while shopping, I came up with a really big washer with a hole in it, slightly smaller but really big washer with a hole in it, that washer, this washer, that washer, and a nut and a bolt. If we can suck the edges of this tip back together, then we'll be in business. See, I wouldn't just want to put a nut and a bolt right here with some really small washers to pull the inside together, because it's still together. There's 4 little rivet thingies in there, but we need to pull the outside edge together. So that's why we need something big that can apply pressure on the outside edges. And I figure it wouldn't be too bad if they're not perfectly centered, because what we really want is them to be pulling on the edge. So it would be okay if they were a little off center, as long as they're not sticking so far that they would get in the way of the chain. So obviously you probably won't have these exact nuts and bolts in your garage, but the key is to just get 2 really big washers that can apply a pressure on the outside edge of this nose, of this tip. And then whatever other hardware you need to suck that together is fine. It really is a bad idea to ever tighten these with impact, but just be careful if you do. Make sure we can see 2 drivers, no more, no less. Obviously, we won't be able to put the nose through anything, but a lot of chainsaws come nowadays with nose guards anyways, so it's not like we're not gonna be able to cut wood. We just can't cut anything that's wider than this right here. Let's see if it works. Thanks for watching RedNeck Physics.